Welcome back. In previous session, we have successfully completed account statement correspondence. If you want to send periodic statements to the vendors, you can do the same from F.27. This is periodic account statement. Here you will find indicator in master record. Enter your company code, enter your accounts. You can create a variant and you can schedule a background job for sending these on specific date. If you don't know how to schedule a background job, please discuss with your basis consultant. Here you will find indicator. These indicator need to be maintained in vendor master. So here weekly, if you want to send weekly account statement, monthly account statement, yearly account statement, that depends on your requirement. In previous session, what we did from FB12, we requested statement. From here, we selected account statement, vendor 400 0101 2020. See, account statement was requested. Now next step, F.64, maintain correspondence request. 6310 execute. See, this is the statement requested. Date is 12/10. This is the statement. In this session, we are going to understand if you have to send this statement through email. Generally, this business process flow will be used in many companies. We are not going to send any emails one by one based on the company's standard operating procedures. If they have requirement to send weekly statements or monthly statements or yearly statement for balance confirmation, they will send the mails directly from SAP. So in this session, we are going to understand what are the steps required to achieve sending statement through email. See, I am a techno-functional consultant. I know ABAP as well, programming and coding. So whatever we are going to do, I don't know whether you will be able to do it or not. Then why I am showing all this business process? As I said earlier, see, my intention is to transfer my knowledge to you as much as possible, so that when you get a job, when somebody asks you for vendor statement through email, you should not get confused, because you know the process. You are learning here. What are the steps? Whom should you approach? Everything you are learning here. Just have a quick reference to this course, then you can fulfill your requirement. That is my intention. It doesn't mean that whatever I am showing from above point of view or enhancement point of view, coding point of view, I don't want you to do all those things. Just have a knowledge. When you have a requirement, then apply this. I request you all, please rate the course. If you have time, just leave your review for the course. If you don't have, at least rate the course. Because I saw many students, they are not giving ratings or reviews. It's my request only. Rest is up to you whether to rate the course or not. Coming to our discussion, we are going to see how to send account statement through email. See, these are the steps. There is a business transaction event concept. All FICO consultant, particularly FI, they should know business transaction event enhancement. This is particularly applicable for FI consultant. See, business transaction event is an enhancement. Under this BTE, SAP already give, if whatever I am giving in a standard business process, if that is not enough for your business requirement, then go and implement BTE to change the business process how you want. Under this BTE, there you will find many BTEs. So out of this BTE, 2310, this BT is relevant for our process. So first we are going to implement. Now go and check SOST. Our job is to generate a email up to SOST. Then what is the next business process flow? Check with your basis consultant. What they will do, they will configure mail server. What is the configuration required for sending this mail to the customer? They are going to do the configuration. So we are not going to responsible. Our job is to ensure whatever the configuration we are doing, whatever the BT or any configuration, whether system is generating statement or not up to SOST. After SOST, we are not responsible for any communication, settings or mail servers. These kind of the stuff will be done by basis consultant. Now, for testing this business process, first step, you should have master data updated with mail ID. Go to XK02. This is my vendor. Select these two. Here you should enter your mail ID because we are going to send account statement through email. All vendor accounts should be updated with the respective email IDs. If you don't enter email IDs, system won't generate anything. This is the prerequisite. You can make this field mandatory if it is required. Hope you understand. Here I already entered my mail ID. Next step, go to FB12 or request is already generated. We are going to check the same f.64 whether it is working or not. 6310 execute. Sorry, that is correspondence. 6310 execute. Here I have request already generated. Click on this one. This is the vendor account statement preview. Go back. See, you are getting one option here. Send internet email. Yes. Now next step is to go and check anything is generated in SYST or not. If it is generated, our implementation is success. See, this is generated here. To see the text and attachment, select this. Click on this display document. Done. Hope you understand. Hope you understand the BT implementation process, how we are sending this account statement in real time to the vendors. Here we did for only one vendor. In real time, even if you are using F.27 periodic monthly, if you schedule any job, system will generate automatically all the emails. No need to do it manually. I hope you understand the business process. Please don't forget to write a review. If you don't have time, at least read the course. This is the account statement attached. See, this is the PDF generated. This is the PDF file I downloaded. See, vendor account statement. Vendor account statement. Thank you very much, and don't forget to read the course.